Hello, my name is Wiam. I'm the technology architect with InSource Solutions. Why do you need to attend the Work Task workshop? You will gain a basic understanding of the software. You will learn how to create forms and how can you translate a paper form to a digital form with simplicity. Understand how to automate a manual work process to increase efficiency and have less room for human error. Addition to all that, you will get direct access to a team of work task experts who will answer all your questions.